All right, guys, welcome to another episode of My Epic Toy Review. We have
Kira
and
Cute.
What's your name? Taya. So we're going to do a review of 3 smaller toys today. So we have a Mashems, a Paw Patrol Mashems, which are super squishy, and it looks like you can get any one of these 6 figures in there. And then we have a Mickey Mouse blind bag, and it looks like you also have an option of getting 6 different characters in there. And then we have a Barbie Spy Squad puppy figure.
Yeah,
So we're going to actually start off today with having Taya go ahead and open this toy and review it for us.
Can I help her if she can't really do it?
Sure.
Do you want me to help you do it? I got it.
She's got it. Here, I'll take that.
I don't know how to open
Is it okay if I give you a hand, Taya?
it. No. If this is doing it, Taya, I would just pop it. That's how it is. Taya, I can help you. Do you want me to help you? Yeah, it's mine.
All right, Taya, here.
I got it. Taya, you're waiting. Hello. Daddy said help. I got it. Taya. Yeah.
I don't want...
Got it. I can't do it.
Oh. I know, it's okay. No,
Powder.
Kira, it actually is pretty tough. So it's actually kind of hard to open. Mom or Dad might have to open it for you. And there you go.
It's puppy.
So put it on here so everybody can see. So it looks like it's just a figure.
Let me see it.
Doesn't do anything in particular.
Oh, it does move.
It does move.
Oh,
Just-
it's a Mickey,
Just the
Daddy.
body moves. Does not require any batteries. It looks like it was made for ages,
Yeah, this moves too.
and that moves too for
Hey,
ages
the
3 plus.
chocolate. I'm for the chocolate.
Okay.
I'm for the chocolate.
Good job, Taya. All right, so looks like next up we're going to have Kira do the Mickey Mouse blind bag collectible minifigure, which is also ages 3 plus.
Gimme. It's Donald Duck.
And it looks like it's Donald Duck, so I'm going to go ahead and show that.
I can fold away to it. It's a trap.
So it looks like it's just a small figure, plastic figure. No movable parts on it. 1 of 6. And then we have the last one is going to be, let me just show it real quick, the Paw Patrol Mashems.
Okay,
Do you need help opening that, or do you got it?
I got it. Puppy. It's okay. It's okay. Puppy. Ow! That is the break you with the puppy
Here, if you want me to
kids
give you a hand.
down.
Here.